In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use Elementor Gallery in WordPress. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. It gives a lot of customization options that makes it easier to edit pages in WordPress compared to the default WordPress editors. First, you need to install and activate the Elementor plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, go to Pages and click on Add New. Here, the default page editor is open. Give this page a title, and to edit this page with Elementor, you need to click on this blue button. This is the Elementor editor. Now click here to add a new section. I'll select this one. Now in the search, here, type Gallery. This is a free option and a paid option. I'll just drag and drop the free gallery here. Now click here to add the images for this gallery. You can add captions for this gallery here. Then click on Insert. You can change the image size from here. You can also change the number of columns from here. And here you have the option to add Lightbox. If you select Yes, then the user can view the images like this by clicking on them. And if you select No, then nothing happens when you click on the images. In the style settings, you can change the spacing and border type of the images. In the advanced settings, you can change the margin and padding, among other self-explanatory settings. Then click on Update. And let's view the page now. As you can see, the gallery was added here. This is how you can use Elementor Gallery in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.